Are you a frequent user of the internet? Are you feeling insecure? Do you think someone is going to scam you? Maybe. In this video, I'm going to show you how to protect your device from hackers or being hacked by people. I'm Hans Van Dyke, and this is Swipe On. To protect your device, you have to make sure that your device is well protected and updated. So you have to make sure that you update your device, because hackers are also trying to update their software and try so hard to hack your device and get information from you. So make sure you always update your devices as early as possible. The second tip is using strong passwords. Basic hackers don't know how to do advanced hacking, and mostly when your device is also well updated, the only way they can get into your account or your device is through your password. And you have to make sure that your password is not something so easy like your birthday or something. You can use strong passwords like Nanado kisses me 69. What else? So use passwords that are very strong and very efficient, something someone can't easily think about. If you can, sometimes change them frequently so they can't easily guess or get your passwords. And also don't write them down. Sometimes your hackers can be real people in real life, no need for internet. The third point is to always be careful with emails. Not all emails are good. Not all emails are safe too. Some emails can just take you to a link or a website that would get all your information, just like Hillary Clinton when she was hacked. Some emails can ask for sensitive information, and do not reply that email. In no way. Your bank is not going to ask for your bank details, they already have it, and other people, so do not go that far. These people can get all your information with just a single click. The fourth step is two-factor authentication. So two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your phone. It requires you to enter a code that has been sent to your phone in addition to your passwords. Two-factor authentication can be activated on all social media platforms, on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and other social media apps. This makes it more secured and faster. No one can hack into your account or lose anything from it. So do it. Tip number 5 is to get an antivirus software. So the fifth step is to invest in a proper antivirus software. We all know what an antivirus does. Protects you from viruses. Spywares can be downloaded onto your device. These viruses get your information and get stuff, feed it back to the creators of those viruses, and can leave you stranded sometimes. So make sure you get a credible and well-updated antivirus to protect you from such viruses. Else, you would end up losing your shit, the things. So thank you for watching this video. If you really enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and swipe.